Epic day as far as these stocks, man. These stocks are just going crazy, man. This the time to get in. The markets are picking back up. It been slow, like what, the past probably 2-3 years, man. Ever since the pandemic, man. That's why I made most of my money during the pandemic. That's crazy. But yeah, man, it looks like the market's back, man. So we're gonna get into it. I traded 2 stocks, CERO and LYT. I told y'all I'm gonna be back consistent, putting up my videos. I'm a busy guy right now. But this is my first love, man. This is my first love, so I can't do my stocks like that, man. I'm always trading, but as y'all know, I shut down my Discord. I just wanted to focus on myself and other stuff I had going on, but I opened my Discord back up. You go to dcprt.com. I got everything finished, updated videos laid out, how I trade, my strategies, my indicators that I use, the brokers that I use, my setup, what you need, to trade, my recommendation, all that, man. It's all on my website, dcprt.com. So I finished up $5,635, and let's start off with CERO. So let y'all look at the whole thing. Basically not doing nothing, man. As y'all can see, big spike here, no volume, nothing, and out of nowhere, big ass spike. You know what I'm saying? That's what you really want to look for, because it's blue skies. We say blue skies because I think this is all-time highs on this stock. So normally when a stock makes its all-time highs, it usually keep going. You know what I'm saying? Because there's nothing to get in its way, but basically, everybody buying it up. So I mean, pre-market, I was watching it. Big rip right here. And I was just watching it, man, just trying to fill out the stock or whatever. So I said I want to wait till the open, because it's like in this tight range right here. It's in this range of 20 and 14. That's a bit range, but it was in this range, man, because this stock can move. That's how I was able to make a lot of money on this stock, because it can move. So I waited for the open. It ended up dumping, right? Ended up crashing. So I don't use this chart when I trade. I use Thinkorswim, and it has my indicator lines on it, right? And my indicator lines are sitting right here in this $12 area. So that's why I was looking at to go long, and that's what I did. I ended up going long. Once again, I tell y'all, I put myself in the best position. Like, I try to get in as low as possible to limit my risk when I trade and maximize my gains. So when the stock was going down, it ended up going down. I said, let me wait. Went down again, a fake out breakdown. This normally a sign of a long right here when it reclaims. So I ended up going long at 12.42, added more at 12.72, and then I ended up selling at 12.79, making some money right there. I think I was up like $500 at that time. That's why I made the bulk of the money right here. It kept going down. My other indicator lines are down here. And I said, man, I'm finna go long. It came down a long way. It's due for a bounce. Even though this thing didn't really bounce, it was due for a bounce. So I nailed the bottom, man. As y'all can see, like, I nailed that shit. Look at that. You don't get no better than this, man. I'll show y'all this in my videos on my strategies and stuff, how to nail these bottoms right here, get in at the best possible position. I use my indicator lines, man. I got in at $6. Very safe trade right here, and I was just riding this thing up, man. I added more right here at $6.97, added more at $6.74. Had a total of 2,000 shares right here, because I figured it was gonna make one more push, and it made that extra push, and then I ended up getting out, making like $3,000 right there on that trade. So crazy trade right there, 3,700, yo. So great trade right there. And then on my last trades on this stock, man. It went down some more. Just same thing. Really the same strategy. It sells off a lot, I buy, sell. It sells off a lot, I buy, I sell. It sells off a lot, I buy, I sell. The same. I just kept killing it. You know what I'm saying? So I made a total of $4,430 on CERO, and then LYT. Absolute epic stock right here. I mean, this thing it's still going. It's still going, man. So I wasn't even paying attention to it, you know, until it made this big ass run right here. I said, okay, it woke up. It's gonna start going crazy. So I ended up going long, catching this bottom right here. Added more. It ended up flushing. Right. I had to take that L. You know, I didn't want to hold through that, so I just took the L. So I was down 700 on that stock, and then once I started seeing it hold up right here, I got right back in at $12.97 and rolled this thing all the way up to $17, man. I was in the 12s and rolled this thing all the way up to $17, man. $5 a share, man. That's how you do it. I look to maximize my profits, man. I don't look to just get in and get out. I don't really want like to scout, you know what I'm saying, unless I have to. But I'm trying to maximize, man. I'm trying to hit, you know what I'm saying? But be safe too, with a safe position. As y'all can see, all my positions are safe. You know, I'm in at the bottom and it just takes off. Like, it don't get no better than these trades, man. You know, I don't chase or nothing like that. And I show y'all how I do it in my videos on my website, dcprt.com. And that was basically it, man. You know, I was down 700 and then I made it all back on this one trade and finished up 1,200 on this stock right here, LYT. Finishing up a total of $5,635. Now I can still trade and make some more money, but I'm happy, man. You know, like 5,000, you can't beat that, man. I mean, people don't see 5,000. It takes people a regular 9 to 5. It takes people what, 2, 3, 4 months. I mean, the average job to make that. I'm satisfied, man. I'm happy. You know, I'm not trying to be greedy. That's how I humble myself. You know, because I've been there before. I had a 9 to 5 before, all that, and I know how it is. So I humble myself by thinking like that, because I can keep making money, but if the trades are not there, don't force it, man. I don't care how much you up, don't force it, because you can give it all back, man. I done been there before. Like, I done made 5,000 and end up losing the 5,000 because I kept trading, because I keep thinking I got a cushion. But you know, throughout the years you get smarter, you get wiser and all that, man. So can't beat that, man. So in 2 days I'm up what, $7,000 in 2 days. Yesterday I made $1,400, so $7,000 in 2 days, man. Who wouldn't want that? I know you do, man. So get with the team, man. I opened my Discord back up. You know, not a lot of people in there. I kind of like it like that though. You know, I can really focus on the small amount of people I got. You know what I'm saying? Instead of having a large amount, it's not about that, man. I really want to teach people how to trade and make money, man. 'Cause I know how it is, man. But that's it for this recap. Looking to turn this thing back up, and I will have other videos going over stocks other than these recaps, man. You know what I'm saying? That's it for this video. I'm gone. Peace.